Get set. Go! All right. Latin Electric and Consumers Energy off to a fast start. You know, that county boat looks awesome, but it's at a pokey pace. Exit Realty looks awesome, but I think they're getting a little drag from the Wicked Witch of the East. Aladdin Electric showing they know how to do this race because they're off to a great start. Commanding lead around the second buoy. Aladdin Electric in the lead already through the first heat, the first lap of the fourth heat. Consumers Energy, energy for you. I don't quite think they're going to get up to speed to go back to the future. Lapping the county boat. Aladdin Electric, and everything is awesome. Everything is awesome. Aladdin Electric crossing the start-finish line, the winner of our fourth and final heat. But I would like to invite all boats who have participated, who are not going to be in the final, to make their way back to the boat launch, because we're going to go to our parade of boats. Every boat can have their one more lap around our track. Our obstacle course, or whatever you want to call it. As we are ready for the parade of boats, please, teams, come and relaunch your